be brave? How can I love the night?
Happy birthday, Kukay! How are you? Wish you all the best.
Okay.
Bye! Asa ka bang? Happy birthday! God bless you always. Ingat ka lagi. Kayo magjowa. Ingat. Happy birthday. Love you. Mwah, chup.
Hi, Kukay. Happy birthday. I wish na sana lagi tayong malusog. At I'm happy na naging maayos ang buhay mo dyan. Good luck sa lahat ng journey mo sa buhay.
Wow, yung sidaan na.
Happy birthday again. I love you and I miss you, Kukay. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Kukay! I love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Kukay! Many more birthdays to come. God bless always.
Happy
Birthday, Ate Kukay! Ate Cooks, happy 40th birthday. Sabi nga nila, life starts at 40. So, enjoy, have fun, and do all the things that you love. Ikaw, Jace.
Yes, si Kukay talaga. Support.
Galing sa someone na 40 na. Happy birthday, Ate Cooks!
Happy
Miss ka
birthday.
namin palagi. We love you!
Bye.
Hi, Kukay! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ninang Kukay! Happy birthday po!
Sabi ni Lord Kukay, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. And finally, you are with the good man who is with you now, taking care, and I know at the right time then, will give you the one that you are waiting. I hope, sana magkaroon ka din ng ganito. Take care always there. I miss you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Ninang Kukay!
Birthday, Kukay. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming blessings and sana magka-baby ka na para madagdagan na apo ni Mama Diet ang makita pa namin. God bless you.
Hello, Kukay! Happy birthday! Good health and God bless!
Happy birthday, Kukay! Happy birthday, Kukay! Happy birthday, Kukay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kukay! God bless you, Kukay!
Happy birthday, Kukay!
Happy birthday! Wishing you perfect health, blissful happiness on your special day.
Wishing you a year filled with laughter, calm moments, and everything your heart has been hoping for.
May
May today be as beautiful as the love you share with others. Happy birthday!
See you soon! Bye!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Cooks!
Happy birthday, Tita
Happy
Kukay!
birthday, Kukay! Welcome sa 40. And we wish you na sana happy ka dyan. Alam ko happy ka. Ingat kayo palagi ni Kuya Rob. And see you soon. We love you.
We love you! See you! Bye-bye!
Surprise, Kukay! Happy 40th birthday, Kukay! Good luck, good health, and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kukay! Bye! Love you!
Hi, Cooks. Happy birthday. I miss you. I wish you good health. God bless always. Always take care of yourself. And I know happy ka ngayon kung nasan ka at kung sino yung kasama mo. So always cherish the moment. Make more memories. I miss you. Sana makapunta ako dyan. See you soon. Again, God bless and happy birthday. Love you.
Who felicitated Kukay?
Kukay. Happy birthday. Wish ko good health, wealth, tsaka everlasting love. Yan ang aking wish sa'yo. Kaya naman hello Kukay, my love. Miss you so much na ang ano ko sa'yo, bait ka dyan, at saka mag-aral ka ng mabuti, at mag-school. Tapos, maging healthy araw palagi ang iyong katawan, at magmahalan kayo ng iyong partner sa buhay. Yun lang, at saka best wishes na lang sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi,
Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. Ingat ka. At saka best wishes na lang sa'yo. Happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you, Kukay.
Kukay, love you, love, 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 love. I wish you so much na.
Happy birthday, Cooks! 40 ka na and God bless you. Enjoy every blessings and soon, pag-uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas, gala tayo, more food trips at more kwentuhan, chikahan sa life natin. So, happy birthday! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Kukay! May this year bring you ever more joy, success, and everything you've been dreamed of. Here's to another year of unforgettable moments of endless friendship. From Kosamoy, Ate Almira, always love you. May God bless you always and enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Kukay! Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Binabati ka namin ang aming pamilya ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Wish ko lang sa'yo namin lahat ay sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaarawan na darating sa iyong buhay. Sana yung mga kaibigan mo dyan, na mga mahal mo rin sa buhay kung saan ka man, ay binabati rin namin sila na sana ay magsama-sama kayo ng maligaya. At sana marami pang birthday na darating sa iyong buhay. Ito naman.
Hi Kukay! Happy 48th birthday! Sana panatiliin malakas ang katawan at sana malayo sa sakit at sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing na darating sa buhay mo. At ito, Silvia, batiin mo si Tita Kukay. Batiin mo si Tita Kukay, dali. Hi, Tita Kukay, dali.
Hi, Tito Kukay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kukay, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi at saka regard sa iyong partner in life. And again, happy birthday!
Pinakpan mo si Silvia ng kamay mo.
God bless you.
Pumunta pa kami dito sa ano ko ito, para lang batiin ka.
Subic.
Subic kami.
Sineselebrate na namin yung birthday mo po kayo.
Libre ni nanay mo. Pumunta kami dito.
Hi, Ate Kukay! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Happy memories. Maraming chance para makapunta ka pa ng ibang bansa and ma-enjoy mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Thank you for being my friend and see you. Love you, Ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Kukay. Wish you all the best.
Igo! Happy birthday, Ate Kukay!
Happy birthday, Kukay! Wish ko natupad na, naging maganda na ang buhay mo dyan at nagkaroon ka na ng partner na okay sa'yo. Ang next, ko naman, wish, syempre mag-fulfilled mother ka na. Bigyan mo na kami ng apo. Bye! Once again, I love you. Happy birthday again.